Do you still spend hours making notes, solving homework, and memorizing answers? What if I told you that students are now using AI tools to study faster, write better English, improve marks, and save time? In today's video, I will show you the top 7 AI tools every student should use in 2026. Watch till the end because tool number 7 is absolutely amazing for school students. Tool 1. ChatGPT. First is OpenAI's ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools for students. You can use it for essay writing, application writing, English speaking practice, grammar correction, vocabulary learning, homework help, speech writing. Example: you can ask, "Write a leave application for fever," and within seconds, it gives you a perfect answer. You can also practice spoken English conversations daily. Tool 2. Grammarly. Second is Grammarly. Many students make grammar mistakes in essays and applications. Grammarly automatically corrects grammar, spelling, punctuation, sentence structure. It helps students write like professionals. If you want better English writing, this tool is very useful. Tool 3. Canva. Third is Canva. Students can use Canva to create school projects, presentations, posters, YouTube thumbnails, study notes. The best part? You don't need design skills. Everything is drag and drop. Tool 4. Notion AI. Fourth is Notion's Notion AI. This tool helps students organize notes, study schedules, to-do lists, exam preparation. It can also summarize long chapters quickly, very useful for higher class students. Tool 5. QuillBot. This tool rewrites sentences in better English. Students can improve essays, paragraphs, assignments, vocabulary. It is especially useful for students learning English. Tool 6. Google Lens. Sixth is Google's Google Lens. Simply take a photo of questions, notes, difficult words, and it gives answers, meanings, explanations, translations. This tool saves huge time. Tool 7. ElevenLabs AI Voice. Seventh is ElevenLabs. Students and creators can create realistic AI voiceovers. You can practice pronunciation, create YouTube videos, improve spoken English, listen to study materials. The voices sound very natural. Remember, AI tools should help students learn. Do not completely depend on AI for exams or homework. Use these tools wisely to save time, learn faster, improve skills. Smart students use AI to become smarter, not lazier. So friends, which AI tool did you like the most? Comment below. And if you want more videos on spoken English, study hacks, AI tools, student success, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.